Raw water's underwater spray technology has been developed for the nuclear and the oil and gas industries, and it has found application in air to coat surfaces and to repair leaks. The first demonstration of our instant metal patch is the coating of a cracked concrete surface. In fact, the crack goes all the way through the concrete, and the repair itself not only adheres very well to the surface of the concrete, it also reinforces, and by the end of the coating process it is possible to put a tensile load on the concrete without actually breaking it at the joint. The technique itself is low pressure and it's also low temperature, and surprisingly it sticks incredibly well. In fact, concrete is not the only thing we can coat. In order to demonstrate how gentle the technique is, we can actually coat an egg. What we're demonstrating here is not only the fact that we can actually coat a difficult surface in terms of its geometry. We also get the metal to adhere to the eggshell. And in fact, if we was to put a pressurized fitting into the eggshell, say stainless steel fitting, it would be possible to pressurize the egg to hydraulic failure, demonstrating not only the fact we've increased the structural integrity of that egg, we've also managed to show that we can bond stainless steel to eggshell. And this egg took 60 pounds per square inch before it failed, and then recoated 70 psi. Moving on to the reason why we are here is the actual possibility of repairing live leaks or other damage in the battlefield. Here we perforated a stainless steel canister full of water. We took the canister back to the workshop, dried it out, filled it back up with water, and then proceeded to run the repair. The nozzle goes in. The molten metal is now deposited around the leak. The pressure of the nozzle, of the gun, is sufficient to push the water back into the canister. And while the water is being displaced, what we're depositing is a metal film building up progressively thicker and thicker and thicker until the leak itself is entirely occluded. This particular repair took exactly 30 seconds to deliver.